Hello everyone, welcome to Fitness Inc. Everybody knows the effects of exercise on our body, I believe, while nobody concentrates or focuses on the side effects of consistent exercise. First, let's talk about what everyone already knows, the benefits of exercise, and then move on to the side effects. The major benefit of exercise is being healthy, meaning able to move without any stress or strain, including but not limited to pain. Exercise provides benefits in improving cardiovascular health, nerve conduction, motor coordination, movement, flexibility, strength, psychological well-being, and enhancing the overall quality of life. Exercise includes activities such as walking, jogging, running, cycling, and swimming, to name a few, that are categorized under cardiovascular training, working on the enhancement of heart health. Exercise also includes stretching that works on the flexibility of muscles to reach the maximum range of motion. Strength training by means of lifting weights or moving against resistance, enhancing the contractile property of the muscle. And strength endurance training that increases the ability to overcome resistance or weight over a period of time. We can also work on balance and coordination exercises to get better motor or movement control, enhancing the quality of the movements performed. All right, let's get real. Exercise isn't just about looking good or feeling strong. It comes with some side effects that we don't always talk about. First up, let's talk weight management. Exercise often leads to weight loss or weight gain, depending on your goals. Your BMI might go down, you might fit into old clothes, and you'll definitely look fit. But here's where things get interesting. If you're only focusing on these side effects, like losing weight or fitting into your skinny jeans, you're missing the big picture. If your main goal is to chase after these trivial side effects, it's time for a change. The real benefits of exercise go far beyond just looking thin or fitting into old clothes. Think long term. So here's the takeaway. Let's stop making weight loss or fitting into smaller clothes the main focus of exercise. Instead, shift your mindset to long-term health benefits, the things that really matter. Keep exercising, keep pushing, and remember, you're not just doing this to look good, you're doing this to feel good, inside and out, for years to come. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Remember, focus on what's important and don't let the small stuff distract you from the big picture. See you in the next video.